Okay, let me put some paper in here. And remember that I'm not a typist, and I love these contraptions, but let's see, I'm going to free the thingy and straighten it out because I fed it in there wrong. Okay, so we got the guide on there. I'm going to go ahead and type something. Oh, yeah, the, and you can see I'm not a typist, especially I'm kind of crooked here. Okay, got two keys there stuck together. That was just because of my bad typing. Lazy dog. So, anyways, the keys all good. We wanted to find out if the bell rings. So, and it does ring. So there's the ring. So, and it advances. And I think, anyways, you've got the different strike zones, and this has a brand new ribbon of red and black, so you can have that variety. You specifically asked, or it's been asked about the chrome, so let's go ahead and we'll, there is a scratch right here, so a little green touch-up that would be required. I didn't polish this one because it was in pretty good shape. I did degrease it and clean it up a little bit. So there's that side. Let's go to the back. Has the little paper support there. I find these mechanical contraptions fascinating. Anyways, it flips open. Let's look at this side here. It's all the chrome. There's no pitting or anything. It looks pretty bright and shiny, even along the edge there. Even along the bottom edge there. We had the let's see if we can go. See, there's a thing there. I wanted to let you see the hitting, but we'll do this row. It's got the 1/2 and 3/4, kind of cool actually. Again, I'm not a typist, so the cap lock works. There's that's the margin release. This is the lock when you put it in your case. There's a backspace, tab, set. Now, I'm trying to think. I think you said there's a set and a clear. Can't remember what it is that you're setting. So, if further explanation is required there, or function, let me know. Anyways, on my on the flat pictures, I did show that it does align on the colors. I did clean the strokes. I degreased this here, and I did spray it with silicone, which does not attract dust. Now, if you're a purist, I probably did the wrong thing. I think this has the strike, how hard you strike. Since we now have light touch computers, that can be kind of different. So, anyways, this is the Olympia, made in West Germany, and it's a very sweet little machine, and it'll take a wide format. It's just kind of interesting. So, anyways, thanks for listening. Bye.